Hello everyone, welcome to Cannon Coffee. Here we have a Saeco Xelsis espresso machine. This machine wasn't steaming properly and no water was coming out from anything. So what we find out, it was the steamer boiler was definitely completely clogged with scale, and nothing was coming out through here pretty much. So we tried blowing air out of it, and it definitely needed to be replaced. And this water pump, because it was trying to push water through here, had to be replaced as well. But let's test the machine now with the new thermal block in there and the new water pump. We're gonna do the test here with our milk. It should be pretty accurate, it's almost the same. So it should definitely we'll definitely see some water flow from here. You can see it's pulling out water just fine. There's a little bit of water flowing there. It's a little bit weird since it's not with milk and a little bit of water, but if we do it with milk, there should be a lot of foam in there. You can definitely see that it's definitely working and pulling some water from the reservoir. Good flow, good color. Okay, now let's run some hot water. You can see very good temperature, really good water flow as well, way better than it was. Machine working perfectly fine. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more content like this every day. And thank you so much for preparing with Cannon Coffee.